Why, Jay, what is that? A little white box. Almost looks like soap. This is fabric wax, TBTF, I don't know, WTF. Just some off-brand, no real name. Let's see if this can do the job on my legendary Tilley. These are almost bulletproof. Will this wax ruin it or make it better? We're going to open the box together. I just moved the Tilley out of the way. So at least you don't have to worry about over packaging. Kind of hard edges, some kind of soap mold basically. Really feels like a bar of soap. Now this one is not sticky. I'm gonna put my nail into the corner and see if you can see into that. I'm gonna bite in right here. It's pretty soft. You can gouge into that just like beeswax. I don't smell anything from here. There's virtually no smell, and generally beeswax, so there's not just beeswax in here, it would have a little bit of a different smell depending on the beeswax, in my experience. Got the same color. I love that it's not all greasy and weird, so that should feel nice if we're touching it. We don't even have instructions on here. So no paper in the box. When we're ready to get going, we can just take that and rub that all over the hat. And that's what we're gonna do. So. The TBTFW, time to try it out. And then we can give the final impressions of the cheapest fabric wax on Amazon. Well, only change the color slightly. Nice and stiff, doesn't smell weird. There's only one way to know if this TBTFW WTF wax does a good job. We're in luck, it's mostly cloudy with a 100% chance of rain. You can see the water beating off just fine. And there it is. Rolls right off like water on a baby's back. There's the hat. There's the hose. There we go. Rolls right off. Really didn't change the color all that much, which is a good sign. And hey, I think the microphone on the inside is still working, so that's also good. For 15 bucks, this is the cheapest wax on Amazon, but it does the job just like that other stuff. So tune in for the next Showdown where we're going to take a look at the Otter wax. And this is world renowned. Check out my next video and you could see if this is any good. It's a bit cool out, so I'm going to go jump in the hot tub. Join me next time. I'm Jay.